Hello, thanks for watching my video. In this video, I will talk about my new Flutter project, which is a fraction calculator. Now we are at the main screen of the application for the user to perform calculation. Here we can input 4 data for the two fractions to perform 4 types of calculation, which is add, minus, multiply, and also divide. The result will be displayed at the bottom, but since we have not yet input any calculation, the result will be none, as I use string to display the output. So when you tap into the input field, it will prompt you to enter some numbers. First, you see we perform the add calculation. The display field for the result will change according to what type of calculation we perform. The result field will be changed to add to remind us that we just perform a add calculation. The value of the fraction will be in double format, and they are already simplified. If you wish to try the application yourself, you can go to my GitHub account and download the source code. Thank you.